So the next question is, which of the following oxide is most acidic in nature? Okay, so carefully observe which of the following oxides. So all our oxides are there. So which is most acidic in nature? See here options: A magnesium oxide, B beryllium oxide, C barium oxide, D calcium oxide. So first, if you observe here, all belongs to same group. Is it right? So see elements. These are secondary group elements. So in secondary group elements, what is the order of secondary group elements? What is the first element is what? Beryllium. So after that what? Magnesium. So after that calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Like that elements are present in secondary group elements. So in our question is also secondary group elements are given. So remember, so the oxides of the top of the elements here. Okay. So down. So when you go down, what will happen? Electronegativity decreases. Okay. So here top of the elements will have electronegativity very high. So the oxides which are bind with this high electronegativity element will form acidic oxides. Okay. So now, so you have to observe in the question is that what? So magnesium oxide, beryllium oxide, barium oxide, and calcium oxide. Which is the beryllium oxide is the top of the element. So which will have more electronegativity. So its oxide is a more acidic in nature. So like this, we have to solve the problems. If they ask most basic oxide, how can you say? So which is the last element? See, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. So barium oxide will be highest basic in nature. So like that we have to solve. So the next question is, which of the following orders of ionic radii is correctly represented? So ionic radius is there. We need to represent this correctly. So here ionic radius, ionic means what? It will have charge. Okay, radius means what? It is, you know, that distance between the nucleus and the outer shell. Okay. Now if you observe here, here see options: A H minus is greater than H plus is greater than H. B Na plus is greater than F minus is greater than O2 minus. C O minus 2 is greater than F minus 1 is greater than Na plus. So Al plus 3 is greater than Mg plus 2 plus 2 is greater than N3 minus. So if you observe here, see in the options they always give isoelectronic species. So isoelectronic means what? They contain almost all are same electrons. Okay, like that species they will give. And they are having charges, minus charges, plus charges are there. So how to solve this one? So you have to remember one thing, that always negative charge will have highest atomic radius compared to neutral, and neutral will have highest charge compared to positive one. Okay, so in case of so you have to remember that. So in case of radius, always negative atom will have highest radius compared to neutral atom, and neutral atom will have highest radius compared to positive atom, positive ion. So okay, so we need to remember this one. And in negative also, if the number is more negative charge, more atomic radius. -1 is there, -2 is there. If any atom is having -2, it will have more radius compared to this -1. Okay, like that. If it is having more positive charge, it will have less radius. If +3 is there, means it will have less radius compared to +2 containing atom. Okay, like that we have to solve. Now in our answers, so see first, here see option C is correct. So why? Here see first oxygen O -2. So negative charge is having highest ionic radius, and also -2 is there. Here -1 is there. So -2 is greater than -1. -1 is greater than plus. So plus charge will have less than minus. Okay, so option C is correct. See here, see first one. First H minus is greater than, okay, correct, H plus. H plus is greater than H is wrong. H is neutral. Neutral is greater than H plus. Okay, that's what you have to remember. And option B here, see, first given plus charge, Na plus is greater than F minus is wrong, because negative charge will be always higher than positive charge in terms of ionic radius. And here see, Al plus 3 is greater than Mg plus 2. It is wrong, because more higher the positive charge, lesser will be the ionic radius. Okay, so like this we have to solve the problems given like this.